everybody. June 12 over here. And we're going to be making a honing video. The experimental gold dollar. And we're revisiting the Tsushima black stone. Seller said it was between 3 to 6K. And I've had mixed results. Sometimes I get really good edges, sometimes I get really bad edges. So I want to keep experimenting and see where we can get with this stone. This will probably be a two-part video. Today's video will be setting the bevel and refining as much as we can. Having a little bit of coffee. So let's get started with the Tsushima black. Last time I had a really good result with the Tsushima, but just because I had good results one day does not mean that is the end all be all. All right, excuse the hand if it's in the way. I'm using this black shadow slate Nagura to create a slurry, and I want to be creating a pretty thick slurry. I want to be at the low end of that range that this stone can provide. So a thick slurry is what I'm aiming for. And that seems pretty good. So like I said, we had a good edge the last time, and we're gonna make sure we kill that edge. It was shaving last time. Yeah, that's dead. All right. Bring that slurry back. I was getting stuck with this Tsushima with the test. I would do hanging hair test, fail. Shaving test, fail. Nail test, fail. Tomato test, fail. However, I took it through the entire progression and I got a shaving edge. It had a Kasumi finish. When I was done with this stone, it had Kasumi finish. I went to the Nakayama. It had a really nice JNAT finish, and it shaved really well. At least it shaved pretty well on the arm hair. Okay, so now I'm feeling the slurry get a little bit drier. Okay. whatever results we get through this, I'm just going to finish the progression. And we'll see the results at the end, because I was getting stuck doing the test on this Tsushima Black, and I would restart all over again because it didn't pass any tests, so I would reset the bevel. And then I would do the Tsushima all over again. It wouldn't pass any test. I would reset the bevel. Basically, I would never touch a finishing stone because this stone didn't allow me to. You know, they say in the forums, don't look at a microscope edge because it can be deceiving. I'm wondering if it goes both ways, if all these tests that we do, hanging hair test, tomato test, if they can be deceiving at times. So, I'm seeing some bubbles here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean the stone. And we're going to start with some new slurry. It's pretty thick. Seeing some bubbles right off the bat. Trying to let the stone talk to me. Now in this second stage of honing, I will be diluting it. At what rate, I do not know. I don't really want to have to like count and say, okay, I did so many X strokes, now I'll add some water, and then I do the same and repeat. I'm not sure if that's what I want with naturals. Could it be done? Maybe. Do I want to hone like that with naturals? I don't think so. Not for me. And if I hone in a matter that does not get me the results that I want, then that's okay, because honing is part of the fun. And if it was perfect and I got perfect results every time, it probably wouldn't be a fun hobby. For me, at least. You know, I'm the type of guy, if something's too easy, it probably won't interest me. That's why I really like grappling MMA. The skill ceiling is so high, you know. You can really tell when you get someone new to class. Yeah, I've been in a few street fights, and then they meet someone that has been training and has technique and has discipline, and you can see it in their face when they thought they knew how to grapple, how to fight, and then it's like, okay, this is a different type of thing here. First, I was talking to a friend of mine about the Tsushima. And we were talking about pressure and so many different things. I'm the type of person that always uses the same amount of pressure, so in the first run of Slurry, I was trying to be a little bit heavy hand. Jesus freaking Christ. I was trying to be a little bit more heavy-handed, making sure I'm hitting that apex. And I'm getting good undercut here while thinning out the Slurry. Right now it looks like a skim milk. That's what I would classify it as. It feels good on the razor. Whatever it's doing, the steel and the stone feel good together. But it, you know, it's felt good before, and it hasn't passed any of the tests at the end of it. I don't think I'll be finishing with water only. I'm going to try and finish with a misty to almost inexistent slurry, but I do want there to be some type of slurry involved. I'm seeing bubbles still. I'm aware of them. I won't say just because I see bubbles my work is done. I'm happy they're there. I'm happy the undercut is there. But just because I see those variables in there, I'm not going to get ahead of myself or try and have a shortcut. I don't know if you can get shortcuts with natural stones. Well, if I upload this video, then there was some decent or good results in the upcoming hone. This is going to be a 2-hone process. Tsushima bevel set, and then Nakayama finisher. And we're getting close here to the slurry that I want. I bid on a while back, like a month ago. I bid on those Japanese razors, Kamisori, and I won the bid, and I hadn't paid it It's been like a month. I forgot about it. And went to buy some stones today to bid on them, which I won the bids, and noticed I had that Camisori waiting for me at the warehouse. They just needed the last payment. So I'll be getting that, and also a vintage Ekelstuna. I don't know. That's how you say it. I've heard Martin Shade Test say the name. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly. One more spritz of water, and because I don't know even if the camera can see, there's just a little bit of slurry there. I'll do 2 more passes and we'll finish the video here. I'll do a quick nail test. So I put some water in there, see if it grabs. This time it is grabbing. Holy smokes. Alright, let's see if it can shave some arm hair. Okay, it's not picking up arm hair, but it is grabbing, and we'll leave it at that. Next video, we'll be working on this Nakayama Kopa, we did the early work here and the mid-range. Hopefully we'll try to pick off mid-range here again, and then move our way to the finishing tomo, which will be a diamond tomo. What was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. But yes, 2 stone honing. Oh, I remember now. I would like having a set of Mikawa Nagura, but I really want to learn these stones without adding any other variable. You know, I want to learn them with their Tomo slurry, their friendly slurry, and then once I know my stones, I want to add the other variables, which is Botan, Tenju, Mejiro, and Koma. But that was some advice given to me. I do want to have Mikawa Nagura really bad, but I'm going to take my time and try and learn this stone on itself as if it was a progression and see what I can do. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you see this video, then somewhere around the week, or by the end of the week, there will be another video with the finishing process. And then starting next week, if we did a good job, I'll put a video shaving with the razor. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Sorry if my energy isn't there. Just had a long and tough day, as we all do. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.